Her account got terminated. Sorry guys, but Parrot One Head's YouTube channel got terminated. So next week I'm going to UCI, University of California, Irvine, or Irvine. Yeah, but I'm gonna talk a lot in this new serve. So I remember the time. It would be cool if for me to see a 2000 Apple with a cooler seat, but yep, I'm not allowed to live stream right now. The reason my Mo channel got terminated is because I got too many violations. That's why. That's why I got terminated. Okay, let's see what I can do next. Glad I already have a lot, so don't worry, just ignore my Subway Surf videos. They're just kind of, you can watch them. Well, I must stop spamming you soon.